Hi, this is Frela from Any House Cleaning, and we are pet friendly. We use cleaning products that is safe for animals and kids. This is some pet hair from the ceiling fan that I already cleaned. Each house has different needs. Each family has different type of dogs or cats, and this small room under the stairs is the cat room for pee and poo. It smells really bad. It's sad that you cannot smell. So the first step is to remove all the trays, then vacuum. Yes, kitty, that's for you. Vacuum all the pieces that is around the pen. Okay, and then we are gonna use our chalk bag. I already put water, air freshener inside, and today I'm gonna use this product by Spartan. This is odor elimination, used especially for odor control, restrooms, dumpster, kennels, healthcare, restaurant, school, everything. So I will put the cleaning inside here. So everything that I will pull from the floor is gonna be in my bucket or chalk bag, and my chalk bag is gonna be with enzymes. Okay, I'm gonna pause. Let's see. After I vacuum regularly, look at here. It's hard to record and do the things at the same time. I will remove everything, vacuum, then I will use another bucket with the same product of odor, and I will remove all the odor from here. Okay, I already removed all the tray or the pan. I have my suction bucket there, plain water. The deodorizer there. This is a 3M dog paddle pad holder. Everything is prepared. I will vacuum first. Why I put water? Because all the dirt, everything is gonna be inside the bucket after this. Now I will remove this and I will apply the deodorizer cleaning product with this little mug. I just wetting the surface. And let it sit for a while. Let me come back. Okay, I put more product, soak the area. The baseboards are sealed and has a sealer, so the water won't come inside the wall. Let the product drill for about 10 minutes or so.
Ready for the lighting. She's heading for the light, but she sees the vision rolling, cutting line after line. See how she looks like trouble. See how she dances and she sips the Coca-Cola. She can't tell the differences.